We got the 2008 GSXR 750. This is the exhaust remedy. Instead of paying $1,500 for a full exhaust system that eliminates the catalytic converter for the 2008, 2009 GSXR 600 and 750s, you can just buy the slip-on exhaust for the 2006, 2007 model GSXR 600 and 750s, and you'll have to cut the catalytic converter off and weld the slip-on on to your exhaust system. I have the M4 exhaust on mine, and as you can see, I had to cut the fairing right here. That was the only thing that I had to alter. As you can see, it looks beautiful. Sounds great.
Boom, 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 boom.